Right, here we are, another video. It is absolutely freezing this morning. Yeah, I won't be using any emulsion today. Sorry, my brain went dead. But I do have to say a massive thank you to Night Quill, legends. So I actually prepped to go painting last week, but I never bothered. These came through, like a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, Night Quill, the legends that they are, sent me a bunch of them as a thank you, I guess, for doing that first video and them using it as a bit of a promotional thing. But they sent me this, which I don't know what this is. They cut the little tabs off. I didn't do that, they did that. So is this some limited edition one-off type piece? I don't know. So I need to speak to them about that. I haven't even said thank you to them yet on Instagram, which is quite rude of me. So yeah, today we're not going to be using emulsion. We are going to be using chrome, if I can talk. We're going to be using some gold chrome, which I have in here. I have one that's really scrappy. Right, I'm going to use that. Right, a little bit different. That is pretty much brand new can. I'll take both just in case. A dark purple. Maybe I'll take one of these just in case. Or what one is that? That is a... Right. So I think I'm done. Keep it simple, pack light. Job's a good one. So there we go, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very brief. The clips I put in were just kind of to highlight certain areas of painting which I rather like the filming of. I've got to say a massive thank you to Night Quill. They are legends. Really massive thank you for sending me those Night Quills free of charge as a thank you. Yeah, this video also highlights the quality of the Night Quill, and this isn't no paid promotion. This is my own personal thoughts and experiences with the Night Quill, and it really comes into its own in cold weather. So yeah, I highly recommend. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me what you think about the video as a whole and the piece. I know the piece is really messy, but I like the concept, so I will probably have another go at something similar in the future. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.